In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Zoom using your Google account. This process is quick and straightforward, and I'll be here to guide you through each step, ensuring you're all set up to participate in meetings without any hassle. First, you'll want to start by either opening the Zoom application on your device or heading straight to their website at zoom.us. If you don't have the app yet, you can easily download it from the official Zoom website or your device's app store. Once you're there, look for the Sign In option, which you should be able to find right on the main page or in the upper right-hand corner if you're using a browser. Give it a click to move on to the next step. Now, you should see several options for signing in. Since we're focusing on using your Google account today, you'll need to select the Sign In with Google button. This is a great feature because it allows for a streamlined experience without the need to remember additional passwords, and it ties directly into your existing Google ecosystem for convenience and security. After you've clicked Sign In with Google, you'll be prompted to choose the Google account you wish to use. If you have multiple accounts, go ahead and select the one you prefer for your Zoom meetings. If the account you want to use isn't already listed, no worries. You can enter your credentials manually. Just fill in your Google email and password when prompted to continue. Sometimes, Zoom may require your permission to access your Google account information. This is a standard step for apps that integrate with Google services, ensuring that your data remains protected and you retain control over what information gets shared. If you're prompted, go ahead and authorize the access. It's a simple tap or click to confirm. Once you've done that, you should be all set. You'll now be signed into Zoom using your Google account, ready to join meetings and connect with others. This seamless integration makes keeping track of your sessions much easier and allows for quicker access whenever you need to hop on a call. And there you have it. Logging into Zoom with your Google account is a fast and easy process once you know how to navigate through the steps. If you ever encounter any issues, make sure your Zoom app is up to date and double check that your Google account credentials are correct. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Enjoy your Zoom meetings, and I'll see you in the next video.